Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to One Me School. In this video I'm gonna show you how to know your router IP address by cmd command prompt in Windows 10. So we should go at the start button and then go to search bar and type here cmd, and you can see the command prompt. So click on that and we will see an interface like this one. So we should write some command here. So I'm gonna type here ip config and that's it. We need to hit on the enter button. Okay, let's try again. cmd command prompt and then hit on the ip config. That's it. You can see that here is our IP address. So that's the video for today. If you like my videos, do a thumbs up and stay tuned with One Me School. Bye bye.